Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you how to make a men's aftershave lotion using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then select the Oil and Water Lotion build, and then click Create. Firstly, I'm going to select my humectant, and I'm going to pick the propane dial as it's non-tacky and it doesn't have a sticky feeling like glycerin. For my gum, I'm going to select xanthan gum. Next is my non-ionic emulsifier, and I'm going to go with the Olive M 1000. For my lipids, I want to have majority of them feeling quite dry and light on the face. So I'm going to pick the caprylic capric triglycerides and a little bit of avocado oil. Now, because I don't want it to feel too greasy, I'm going to add about 6% of the caprylic capric triglycerides and only about 2% of the avocado oil. Next is my preservative, and I'm going to pick the GearGuard ECT. For my essential oil, I'm going to select peppermint. This is going to give the men's aftershave lotion a nice fresh minty scent. Now it's time for my actives. I want something that's going to be anti-irritant in this men's aftershave lotion, as shaving can irritate the skin a little bit. So I'm going to add some allantoin because this is great for soothing and it's also a great anti-irritant. And I'm also going to pick some bisabolol because this is also clinically proven as an anti-irritant ingredient. Next is my added extras, and I'm going to select a bit of chamomile because this is soothing for dry skin, and also some calendula extract because this is quite restorative to the skin. And lastly is my antioxidant, and I'm just going to select some mixed tocopherols. And then click Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method. Now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a men's aftershave lotion using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own aftershave lotion. Happy formulating!